Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you a very quick method of creating a peasant blouse. Peasant blouse, let me show you how does it look like. That would be the neck, your sleeves, and it's a very loose blouse which has a lot of gathers and a raglan looking sleeve. Okay, so the measurements that you would require, very simple. Just take the full length measurement first, right, and mark your A to B as that full length. Then you require center length, which is how deep do you want your blouse to be, and mark that measurement from B to D. All right, next is your across shoulder. Let's say your cross shoulder is 14, so divide by 2 would be 7. Mark that here and let's name it D, and just draw a short line down from there. Then B to E would be your bust measurement. Divide by 4 and just add another ½ inch in that, right? So let's say your bust is 36, so divide by 4 is 9, so that makes it 9.5. Mark that and draw a small line upward. Then the next measurement is your bust step. So just keep your tape here, and if let's say this is the bust, see how deep is the bust and mark that measurement down from here. It could be anywhere, we just need this line here. And then let's call this G, maybe this is G1, this is G, and find center of D to G, and then draw a line across. This would give you the armhole area in the measurement. Here A to E, let's call it, mark 3 inches for neckline and create a curved line. Okay, then from here draw a diagonal line in this direction. From this part, just go down by ½ inch and draw a curved line blending with this. Okay, and then from D extend a line which is, let's say, 2 inches or 3 inches depending how much gathers, how many gathers you want. If you want a lot of gathers in this area, you could increase it more. Okay, so this becomes your bodice. All right, and then for the sleeves, this is your shoulder. Just extend the length, so from here to here would be the length of your sleeve. So how long do you want your sleeve to be? This measurement, mark that, draw a straight line down till this point and draw a line out from here. Okay, and then again extend this for 3 inches, whatever that you took here, increase here also, and draw a parallel line. Okay, and remember the original line here that we had before curving this part. Yeah, follow that line, and that becomes your sleeve. So this you will be cutting on fold, and you'll be cutting 2 of these, and this you'll be cutting on fold here, and you will be cutting 2 of these. So very simple pattern, very beautiful blouse, very comfortable. You can create the pattern and probably sew it in like 1 hour maximum.